Jasmaya asks, I have a home-based business and rely on online marketing to get sales, but I'm struggling to get traffic. How do I make noise to get noticed online?
Well, Jasmia, first of all, from the question that you're asking, I know you don't understand online marketing. The very first rule of online marketing is, first of all, you need to know who your audience is. It's not about making noise. It's not about just getting your name out there. A lot of people I talk about, even entrepreneurs, marketers, business owners, you hear this all the time. I just need to get my name out there. It's not about getting your name out there. It's about getting your customers into your door. It's not getting them out there, it's getting them in here. That's the very first rule of marketing online. So first you have to know, it's not just about getting attention. Because a lot of people, they think about, oh, I need a lot of followers, I need a lot of fans, I need a big social media reach, and I have a massive social media reach. But fame doesn't equal fortune. The right type of fame to the right type of people equals fortune. So it's not just about getting attention. Because right now, you could go out there, let's say you go downstairs, you can run around naked, winter in Vancouver. Guess what? You will get a lot of attention. In fact, you get the attention from the police, right? But it's not the right kind of attention you want. You need the right type of attention at the right time from the right prospect. That's what makes sales. So if you run any kind of business, it could be home-based business or whatever business, whatever you're selling online, first you have to define exactly who you're selling to. Who is your ideal customer? If your answer is anybody there who breathes, anybody's got a heartbeat, you've got a problem. Who are they? Are they men? Are they women? What age group? What kind of professions? What do they do? What are their pain points? Once you narrow that down from this to this, then you craft your offer, you craft your message specifically talking to this group of people. The amount of money you'll make from marketing, the amount of money you make from your business is in direct proportion how well you understand your potential customers. Once you can do that, then you will know where you could get traffic. Example, if you know this is your demographic, this is your ideal customer profile, yes, now you can do Facebook ads, right? Now you can do banner ads. Now you can do affiliate marketing. Now you can run Google ads. Now you can do Instagram. Now you know exactly who you're talking to versus, oh, I just get more followers. I just need to make some noise. I need to get more traffic. It doesn't help. When it comes to making online, it's only two things, conversion and traffic, that's it. If you've got decent conversion going on, let's say you are converting 1 out of every 100 visitors buying your product, 1% conversion, that's fine. Right? So you know if you get 200 visitors, they're the right type of visitors that would get you 2 sales, and then 300 visitors, so on and so forth, right? It's 1% conversion. If you have had a few hundred visitors, a few thousand visitors to your website, to your offer, and none of them bought, listen to me, you cannot multiply 0. If you're not getting sales with a few thousand visitors, guess what? Let me get more followers, let me get more visitors. I'll get 10,000, 20,000, and then my problem will be solved. I'll get more sales. No, it won't. You cannot multiply 0, and you cannot go to the bank and say, hey, you know what? I don't have a check to deposit, but I got a lot of Instagram followers. Can I deposit my followers? No, the banks wants cash. You cannot deposit likes, you cannot deposit followers, you cannot deposit fans, you deposit cash. And to convert the attention, the right attention, to convert followers, the likes into money, in between, you need a conversion mechanism. Whatever that thing might be, it could be your e-commerce site, it could be a webinar, it could be good old telephone to convert them on to a sale. Whatever that mechanism is, I can tell you from my experience, when it comes to making money online, most people, they focus on traffic, they all suck at this conversion mechanism. Either they don't have one in place, or the conversion mechanism they have sucks. Their web page sucks. It doesn't convert. It doesn't get people to act. It doesn't get people to buy. It doesn't get people to click. And they thought, well, let me just get more people viewing my page. Let me get more traffic that will solve my problem. It won't. So the very first action that you need to figure out is, who is my ideal audience? What kind of offer can I put in front of them to get them to put up their hand? Maybe it's generate a lead, maybe it's to make a small purchase, maybe a big purchase, it doesn't matter. What is the right offer that I can put in front of them? Once that's converting, then you can find ways to buy traffic. And there's so many ways and so many places you can buy traffic. I'm not gonna get into that in this video, but that's how you do it. That's the rule of marketing online, and that's the rule of selling anything online. Now, by the way, if you are fans of my work and you've been watching my videos for some time now, don't just Netflix and chill, then flex and grow rich. Watch my video. Don't just watch one video, because I see a lot of questions, a lot of comments that you are writing. A lot of those questions, they have already been answered. I have already answered your damn question in my other videos. I've got over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Do me a favor, type it in and search for that shit and watch before you ask a single question. I promise you, if you then flex and binge watch 5, 10, 20, 30 videos, 50 videos, you will find the answers that you're looking for. Marketing, sales, entrepreneurship, starting a business, investing, whatever topics you're searching for, chances are I've made some kind of videos to answer your questions one way or the other. Do that first. If you still cannot find the answers that you want, then comment below. I promise you, if it's a good question, I'll make a future video based on that. So go ahead, then flex.